Are you happy with the current configuration of the cabinets in your kitchen or bathroom? Are you simply looking to refresh the appearance of your cabinets without the hassle of a major renovation? If so, having MetroEcom reface your existing cabinet may be the solution you're looking for. Our refacing services offer Los Angeles area homeowners. This is an amazing kitchen remodel we completed on a home in the city of Brea. Although the owner did not want to completely remodel the kitchen, she did want to change the color of the kitchen cabinet. Along with the cabinet door and drawer fronts, we'll cover every visible surface of your cabinet system with refacing panels that are a premium 1/4 thick. Rather than start from scratch by removing your old cabinets and putting in new ones, our refacing process will use the good bones of your existing cabinets and make them look brand new at a fraction of the cost of new ones. Unlike a total remodel that can leave you without a kitchen for weeks on end, our refacing process is straightforward and efficient to minimize the disruption to your home life. In as little as 3 days, you'll be able to enjoy your newly transformed cabinets. Here are a few of the residential kitchen remodel we completed as well.